Want to learn the secret Pinterest gurus are using to rake in thousands every month? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a step-by-step method that could change your financial future forever. So make sure you don't miss out. All right, let's talk about the backbone of your Pinterest success, which is your profile. A well-optimized profile isn't just a fancy term. It's crucial for standing out and attracting the right audience. Start by ensuring your profile picture is clear and professional. It could be a high-quality logo or a headshot that showcases your brand's personality. Your profile name should also be searchable and reflect what your brand is about. Think keywords that resonate with your niche. Next, the About You section is your chance to shine. Use this space wisely to tell your story and explain what value you bring to the table. Make it concise but engaging, so people are intrigued to explore your boards and pins. Remember, you're not just listing fact, you're creating a connection. Now, let's focus on your boards. Each board should be strategically named and organized to reflect specific interests or topics within your niche. Use keywords here too. They help your boards show up in search results, getting your content in front of more eyes. Descriptions are also critical. They not only give context, but also serve as another opportunity to use those all-important keywords. Hashtags and keywords are your best friends. Incorporate them naturally in your pin descriptions to increase visibility. The more optimized your descriptions, the higher the chances of your pins being discovered by the right audience. Finally, consistency is key. Regularly update your profile, board, and pins to keep them fresh and relevant. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and joining group boards to expand your reach. Do you ever feel like your Pinterest profile could use a makeover? What strategies have you found effective so far? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter. Subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievements. Let's grow your business together. Okay, let's talk about elevating your Pinterest profile to truly stand out. First things first, your profile picture. This is your digital handshake, so make sure it's inviting and professional. It could be a high-quality logo or a headshot that showcases your brand's personality. Your profile name should also be searchable and reflect what your brand is about. So think keywords that resonate with your niche. Now, let's address the About You section. This is your opportunity to create a lasting first impression. You want to tell a compelling story, highlighting what value you bring to your audience. Be concise but engaging. Let your personality shine through while ensuring your bio is packed with relevant keywords. Next up are your boards. Each board should be strategically named to pinpoint specific interests or topics within your niche. Keywords are crucial here as well. They help your board show up in search results, attracting more viewers to your content. Don't forget the descriptions. They not only provide context, but also offer another avenue for keyword optimization. When it comes to pin description, hashtags and keywords are your best friends. Naturally incorporate them to boost visibility. The more optimized your descriptions, the higher the chances your pins will be discovered by the right audience. Consistency is what ties everything together. Regularly update your profile, boards, and pins to keep them fresh and relevant. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and joining group boards to expand your reach. Feeling like your Pinterest profile could use a makeover? What strategies have worked for you in the past? So you're working on establishing a strong online presence, and today we're going to talk about 3 crucial elements: your username, bio, and profile picture. First up, let's discuss usernames. When choosing a username, think about brand identity and memorability. You want something that's easy to spell, easy to remember, and gives an idea of what your brand is about. Avoid using complex numbers or special characters that can make it harder for people to find you. For instance, if you're a travel blogger, a username like WanderlustJane tells people immediately what content to expect. Next, let's talk about your bio. Your bio is your chance to make a great first impression. It's your elevator pitch, so make every word count. Focus on communicating who you are, what you do, and what value you provide. Keep it concise yet impactful. Add a touch of personality to make it relatable. Use keywords related to your niche. These will help you show up in searches. For example, if you're a fitness coach, mention specific areas you specialize in, like HIIT workouts or nutritional advice. Now, let's move on to your profile picture. This is often the first visual impression users have of you, so it needs to be top-notch. If you're representing a business, a high-quality logo might be your best bet. For personal brand, a professional headshot works wonders. Aim for clarity and make sure it's a true representation of your brand's vibe. A friendly, approachable photo can make you seem more trustworthy and relatable. So, what's your strategy for making a memorable online impression? Leave your tips and experiences in the comments.